this here is a blower motor.
Yeah.
And this is what blows the air through the house. And as you can see, this one is kind of dirty. This will also affect some of the airflow with all the dust and dirt in the blower wheel inside there. So we do.
So flip around, show them the wiring configuration that,
Where'd this one pick up all the dust from? Was it no filter, lack of filter, or?
I believe, I think this came from one of Bill's properties. I think this is the blower motor out of the unit at Martin Street. So this was a gas pack unit, so the unit sat outside, but it still shouldn't have this much dirt and stuff in it.
You guys do the annual cleaning? You would go through and clean
Yes,
this
if
up?
this needed to be cleaned, we would pull it apart and pull the motor out of it. And you can get the actual
Yes,
blower
tape
wheel
something.
out to clean the blower wheel itself. But you do not want to get this motor wet.
Now cleaning that, the blades for that squirrel cage, would not be part of a normal service call.
Right.
Sometime,
Yeah, this would be extra because you'd pretty much have to pull this assembly out and pull it completely apart.
But you could brush
Get the
off
motor out.
this. This is exposed. Could you brush off that? As part of the normal cleaning?
You have to pull this out to get to it.
Okay.
So it was
So it's,
not-
again, it's in a box.
Right. So that's your blower motor.
talking about fans, that fan has nothing to do with whether the unit on the outside is running or not. So when, we get calls a lot that they'll say, well, it's not running outside. There's something wrong with it because it's not running, or it is running, and there's no air coming through the vents.
Right. Yeah, this assembly is actually your indoor fan.
Right.
So if you're not getting air blowing in the house, there's something going on with this. It's either not running or the motor's gone bad or something's causing that motor not to run to blow air, to circulate air.
Your fan on the outside could be running, and if that fan's not running, you're not gonna get air through the register,
Right,
correct?
correct.